Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare mint rice or pudina rice. So let's see what all ingredients we need. First, I have taken 2 bunch of mint leaves. I washed and cleaned it. Then we need basmati rice. I have taken 6 cup of basmati rice. This is my cup measurement. I have taken 6 cup for this. Then I have taken coconut milk, 9 cups of coconut milk, ghee, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 3/4 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 bay leaf, 2 cardamom, 6 peppercorns and 1.5 tablespoon of cashew pieces. This is soya chunks. This is 300 grams. I boiled in hot water and squeezed out of the water. Salt and 1 piece of ginger, 2 garlic cloves and 3 green chilies and 1 onion chopped. So let's see how we are going to make this. So in a mixie jar, I am going to add this mint leaves, ginger piece, garlic and green chili, and we have to make a paste. I have made a good paste of pudina now. So let's see how we are going to prepare the rice. I am going to make this rice in the cooker. So now the cooker is hot. I am going to add ghee. Once the ghee is hot, we are going to add cashews. Once the cashews got roasted, keep it aside for garnishing rice. Now I'm going to add bay leaf, peppercorns and cardamom. Wait until the spice smells comes. Now I am going to add onions. And salt till the translucent color comes. Onion change the color. We are going to add ground paste of pudina. and mix it good. Keep it in a medium flame. Once the raw smell goes from the pudina paste, we are going to add the basmati rice now. I didn't soak the basmati rice here. If you want, you can soak it. I have given a good mix of pudina mix and basmati rice. So now I am going to add garam masala to this, and you can give a good mix. After adding garam masala, now I am going to add coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk, you can add the regular water. I have taken 6 cups of basmati rice, so I am adding 9 cups of coconut milk. So for 1 cup, I am adding 1.5 cup of water. With this, I am going to add soya chunks, which I boiled and squeezed out the water. And this time you can add salt. I added salt for the rice. We have to wait for the water to boil. So let it boil. The water boil. So I am going to keep the lid on. Before keeping the lid, you can check the salt level according to your taste. And we have to wait till the steam comes. Now the steam came, so I am going to put on the weight and I'll cook it for 5 minutes and I'll turn off the flame. Depends on the rice quality. You might need to add more water and your cooking time might vary. Make sure the flame is on the medium. The The Pudina soya rice is ready. Pudina soya rice is ready. You can serve this rice with salad, pickle, papad or any gravy. It's super easy and tasty. Hope you like this recipe. Please do share, like and subscribe and give us a comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you.